Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for your protection error. Sometimes Cash App cancels Bitcoin withdrawals automatically if it detects an unusual activity or a risk. Here's what you can do. Firstly, use a different payment method temporarily. If Cash App is blocking your linked card or bank, link a different debit card or bank account in Cash App, like try using Apple Pay, Google Pay, Zelle, or PayPal if you need urgent transfers. Wait for a few hours or a day, then retry the Bitcoin withdrawals. Sometimes the system resets. And the second option, if switching payment methods doesn't help, contact support directly. Just open Cash App and tap the profile icon on the top right. Select Support, then scroll down and tap Chat. Type your issue, for example, Bitcoin withdrawal cancelled for protection, and Cash App will usually confirm it's a temporary block or if they need more info from you. Just a tip, make sure your ID verification is complete on Cash App and that your account actively looks consistent, no sudden large transfers. This reduces the chance of cancellations in the future. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more.